My name is Danny. I just want to give a shout out to Jesse and Rodney and the M.2.C Academy. With this academy, I've been able to remove charge-offs, collections, bankruptcies, tax liens, inquiries, late payments, anything you can think of that might be out of compliance and be negative. I've been able to remove from my clients. My clients have been ecstatic. They've been excited. They've recommended me to their friends and their family, which in turn recommend me to their friends and their family. Yeah, just increased my business tremendously. I was able to leave my full-time job of 12 years in a matter of months after I started at the academy with my ability to help my clients. Thank you, Jesse, thank you, Rodney, for creating such a great academy. If you're thinking about joining this academy, don't wait. Push that button right now. Join. You'll be able to see the changes in a short amount of time. These guys are doing just amazing. Have a great day.